Hello everyone, so if you want to take amazing high resolution photos on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, first of all activate your camera. Now in your camera, choose your HDR option and turn it on, so on auto, turn it on auto. However, if HDR isn't your thing, feel free to skip this step. In your camera menu, find this arrow icon to open up your menu, choose aspect ratio and make sure to put it on 3:4. This format provides the best image quality. Now let's go to the more section in our camera, and here you gotta select the 50 megapixels option. Here it is. So now our photos will be at impressive 50 megapixels. The HDR option works here as well, so feel free to use it if you like it. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.